We were in Barcelona for 24 hours and then we are going somewhere else. That's all you probably need to know for now. So let's see what we can see in Barcelona in those 24 hours. Let's go. This reminds me of Yerevan, like so many stairs again. But this time I've returned stronger and it will not be any issue for me anymore. The weather forecast was like it's probably going to rain today. However, it doesn't seem like it's going to rain right now. Maybe in like 1 or 2 hours. Hopefully not that much. But yeah, now we are trying to see as much as we can and then maybe hide somewhere. Okay, we've gotten to a viewpoint. Probably the official one, so let's go there. I have to say, not the ideal footwear for this kind of activity. Alright, we are up. It looks like this could be a port and the city is like over there. I don't even know why I'm just taking a video of a port, but whatever. Okay, it started a bit raining. I mean, not that much. It's like a light drizzle so far. Alright, it's officially raining, not heavily yet, but hopefully it will not be any heavier than this. That would be kind of bad because I have got these shoes that I wear pretty much on my every trip. They are very good, they are like for running, but they have got one very big disadvantage, and that being like it doesn't have to rain that much and they will be all wet. This is a cable car that leads to the Montjuic, but right now for unknown reasons it doesn't run. This is, I think, where the cable cars originate from. So we took the bus from where we actually were, over here, somewhere in the center. In the meantime, it stopped raining, for which I'm very happy, but it can start any minute. So this is one of the Gaudi's casas. This is Casa Vicens. Now we are going to take a very nice walk just from here to Bucheria, to the central market, which is going to be not the shortest walk, but I don't mind. It's not raining anymore, so I'm happy for it. And we are probably going to see one more Gaudi's casa along the way, which I'm going to show you just in a minute. This reminds me of Champs-Élysées in Paris. It's like a very wide avenue, plenty of shops around. Well, and this is Casa Mila, the second Gaudi's casa. This is what we saw along the way to La Bucheria, the central market. And the third one, probably from the casas, Casa Vatlo from Gaudi. I didn't even know that this existed, but like along the way to the market we're actually seeing that, so that's nice. It is still raining. We are on our way to the central market. However, it's not raining as heavily as I expected it to be. This is the La Rambla. I mean, probably a very popular street in Barcelona, but right now, I mean, it doesn't have the same vibe to it, I would say, because, well, it's raining and it's February. So we finally got into the central market. Koliko ste? It's probably apparent that I don't want to go anywhere else. I'm fine under the roof, so I don't get like too wet, right? It's finally time of the check-in at the accommodation, so we are just going to do that. Look at the weather, it's still raining. It's gonna be good to take a break, go at the accommodation, and you know, just rest for a bit, wait until the rain passes, and then go out after dark. Not saying anything, but like my shoes are quite wet. Okay, it's also very windy, honestly. Alright, so this is the accommodation we have for tonight. It's going to be just for one night, and this is what, roughly 50 or 60 euros. I'll just put it in the description. We also get more or less this, and also the bathroom, which is over here. So nice, let's rest. So I found a way how to actually dry my shoes. It's like with this blowing fan. So if it looks stupid, but it works, it's not stupid, I guess. So we are back in the street of Barcelona. This time it's not raining at all, and it's like very enjoyable actually walking outside because it's like warm, I would say. We are going to a very cool viewpoint that I found. It seems like the conditions will allow it to be fine. It's not raining, it's not very cloudy, I would suppose. The only thing is that the terrain might be a bit muddy and stuff, but whatever, I mean, let's probably go through here. We are here. Wow. Just look at it. I'll probably also include a video recording from my phone because it's a bit like with more light, but this is still amazing, right? I guess. I mean, look at those waves right now. No wonder there's like a red flag over there. Let's go and see that. This is how the sea looks like right now. No wonder there's like a red flag over here. The sea is quite wild. I mean, look at this. Look at these waves. I mean, like right there in the back. It could be like 2 meters at least, I would say. I mean, it's not something too extreme, but you know, like, I wouldn't probably say it's very safe to swim. Alright, so we finally made it near Sagrada Familia. It's right over there. It seems like it's being finished. It's scheduled to be finished in 2026. It's actually very weird seeing it like without masses of people. When I was here in 2021 in July, there were so many people around, but now it's like completely empty. First of all, it's basically night, and second of all, it's not the season right now. It's February. So this is the other side of it. I don't even know which one is the front, which one's the back. So we actually found out that they turn off the lightning on Sagrada Familia at 11 in the evening, so we managed to get it. We got here at around 5 to 11, so we had like 5 minutes to take the pictures, and now I saw how they turned off the lightning and now it's just dark. So I guess that's going to be it from this day from Barcelona. Tomorrow we are going to another destination, so stay tuned for that video as well. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned.